Welcome. Today we are looking at linear regression. Okay, so linear regression, as we said, is the test that tries to determine the relationship between the independent and dependent variable. Okay, so what we have here is the exam score and revision intensity. So we want to predict if the increase in revision intensity can result in an improvement in exam score. So that's what we want to look at. So we go to analyze and go to linear regression. Okay, then in the dependent box you put the exam score, which is the outcome. Then in the independent variable you put revision intensity, which is the independent variable which determine or predict the outcome, which is exam score. Okay, then you go to statistics. You go to statistics. The estimate can be selected, and the confidence interval, the descriptive statistics, and model fit. Then we can say continue. Okay, then you go to plot. On plot, you put the Z predictor into the X axis and the Z residue in the Y box. Then you can say you can choose the plot that you want to have, the histogram and the normal probability table plot. Okay, then you say continue and okay. So now we have our results here. The descriptive statistics, it shows the exam score mean to be 58.90. Revision intensity score mean to be 61.03. Okay, then we have also the standard deviation in the sample size. Then you go to another table, which is the model summary. Okay, so the model summary have these values. We have R and R square. These are the most important values. So the R value of 0.544 explain that there is a positive relationship between intensity of study and exam score. Okay, then the R squared, it explains that 29% of variation in exam score is explained by the intensity of study. So 29% of exam score is explained by the intensity. Then you go to ANOVA table. ANOVA table tells you if the model that we have used is significant. So you look at the p-value. If the p-value is less than 0.05, then the model is significant. So look at this p-value is 0.02, which means that our model is significant. Then you go to the coefficients table. This is the most important now for you to make a decision. So you look at if all conditions are held constant, then the intensity of revision increase. The exam score is likely to increase by 0.48. So the exam score is likely to increase by 0.48. So now this is what you can tell the decision makers to say, if student increase the intensity of revision, each point they increase the intensity of revision or hours, that means that they will increase the exam score by 0.48. Then you look at the significant value. You want to determine if these results are significant, and you see that it's also less than 0.05, this significant value here. Then you go to the confidence interval. If it does not include 0, that means that our results are significant. Okay.